So we'll do it like a classroom type of learning, and you can also interact. You can post your questions, and we'll answer them if time permits. The first tab is all about architecture commands. You have the wall, windows, doors, ceiling, floor, and all the other components. On the second tab is the structural components that can be used in Revit. On the third tab is also a structural part, which is the steel. The fourth tab that you can see is the systems, which is the MEP part of Revit. So we'd like to welcome Sir Ramon Pialca.
I'm an architect.
Yun, si architect. Welcome po, sir. Another important part of Revit, which we are not used to because we have been using AutoCAD for the last how many years, is the project browser. The project browser is divided into these hierarchies. You have floor plans, you have ceiling plans, 3D views, elevations, sections, and even renderings. You can easily do your revision when you are using Revit. For example, the client decided that I don't want these windows anymore. If we delete those windows, so those windows have been removed as well. You can easily do your revisions in when you are using Revit. For example, the client decided that I don't want these windows anymore. If we delete those windows in 3D, so those windows have been removed as well.